Okay, I did a short video, I don't know, 15 minutes ago, just explaining why I got this mower. Anyway, so I just did a time-lapse video, got the motor out. Simple. Couple wiring, 4 bolts, fuel line. Fuel stinks. It's probably been sitting many years. Anyways, got the engine out. These are good engines, 500cc. We've got everything. We've got carbs, we've got spare brand new carbs, air filters, everything. So anyways, it's out now. My uncle can pull the governor, tweak it a bit, do his things. It's awesome. Oil's clean, so it's good. So yeah, we're just piecing it together. Like I say, I'll keep a couple parts off this, but nothing much. Got the exhaust off right away because that's the first thing you do. Yep. Okay, cool. Hit subscribe.